Are you ready to explore how manufacturing process variations impact product quality and how to use data analytics in Industrial 4.0 to manage those variations? In my previous video, you can find in the link below, I explain on how to recognize common and special cost variations and their impact on quality. With the Industrial 4.0 making the ability to manage variations even more crucial. This video will show you on how to use data analytics to manage variations in Industrial 4.0 manufacturing. Don't miss out on these valuable insights. Watch the video now. Since we already know there are two types of variations, and our aim is to get consistently good quality product with as little variations as possible, therefore, we need to learn how to manage these two types of process variations well. We cannot eliminate common cause variations, and we can only control the variations to the smallest possible from these variations to this variation here using a Six Sigma approach, especially if you are in a high volume type of environment. We can reduce the process input variations and achieve Six Sigma quality from here. In terms of common cause is that we need to know that it exists all the time, is happening to all process inputs. It does not have any big consequences to the product quality, only that means it's still within acceptable range. The only way to manage it is to reduce the variations through a Six Sigma approach. You can refer to my another video on Six Sigma quality given at the link below or at the end of this video. If you find this video informative, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more valuable insights and updates in manufacturing, supplier quality hacks to achieve consistently good quality products. By subscribing, you will be the first to know when I post new content. The next variation is a special cost variations, which happen only at one time, and it could be due to a single source and must be eliminated immediately, and it will have big problem to the output if it's present. So normally we want to eliminate common cost variations, and one of the ways is through corrective action methods such as 8D approach, which will remove the spikes from the process and it will go back to the common cause type of variations in the process input level. Unlock the secrets to mastering root cause analysis and take your skills to new heights in this transformative course, 7 Essentials in Manufacturing Problem Root Cause Analysis, developed with a passion for precision. This course offers a roadmap to unraveling the mysteries behind complex manufacturing issues. In this dynamic program, we have blended time-tested techniques with cutting-edge AI technology, providing you with unparalleled insights into identifying root causes. Discover why a systematic approach is crucial in pinpointing the exact triggers behind quality concerns. With our guidance, you will navigate through step-by-step processes that leads to effective problem resolution. Join us on this journey to uncover the true root causes and revolutionize your approach to problem solving. You can get this course at $12.99 by clicking on the link below or scan the QR code to get the link. Unlock all of my courses on Udemy for only $12.99. If you are using a mobile device, simply tap on More to review the special rate course link. Click on the link to view over 15 courses in multiple quality areas offered. For desktop user, you can scroll down and click on the link to download the course list. You can then click in the list to get the special offer rate. After we have understand who our real enemy are in the manufacturing process, next is that how do we recognize the common cause and special cause variations? The method used to identify process variations has been quite manual even till today, of using charts or SPC charts to identify if there's a presence of special cause. We are already in the era of IRA 4.0. Therefore, it is time for companies to work with experts in this field to ensure that the data infrastructure set up are able to identify all the critical parameters in the process input for data collection and ensure that data collected are accurate and also able to target the process variations either to reduce or to eliminate. It is really very important that this type of automation should be able to help in predicting that if there is a potential special cause that's present and trigger for attention, rather than producing thousands of parts. Worse still, if those parts has already reached the customers, please refer to my another video on the foundation of data collection. I would also appreciate if you could share that your manufacturing is using IR 4.0 to help identify process variations in the comment section. I hope you found today's video helpful in gaining a better understanding of manufacturing, supplier, and quality engineering. I love to hear your thoughts on what topics you like me to cover. So feel free to share your comments below. If you find this video valuable, please share it with others who might benefit from it too. Thank you for watching, and I can't wait to bring you a more insightful content in my future videos.